To buy bonds through Charles Schwab, you will first need to open a brokerage account if you do not already have one. Visit the Schwab website and click on the Open an Account button. Follow the prompts to provide the necessary information, including your personal details and financial information. Once your account is set up, you can fund it to start purchasing bonds. Next, log into your Schwab account and navigate to the Fixed Income section. This section will provide you with various options for bonds, including U.S. Treasury bonds, corporate bonds, municipal bonds, and more. You can refine your search based on the type of bond you are interested in, as well as other criteria like maturity dates or credit ratings. When you find a bond you are interested in, click on it to review the details. This will include the bond's yield, price, and other relevant information. Make sure to read through the bond's offering terms carefully. If you are satisfied with your choice, you can proceed to purchase the bond by entering the desired quantity and following the prompts to finalize the transaction. After you have completed your purchase, you can monitor your bond investments through your Schwab account. It is advisable to periodically review your portfolio and stay informed about any market changes that may impact your investments. With those steps, you should be able to successfully buy bonds through Schwab.